Now let's start with the new topic of the component of vectors in two dimension. Components of vectors in two dimensions. Let point P x comma y be a point in a plane. Now let's plane OX OY. Point P x comma y. Now draw a perpendicular on x-axis and draw a perpendicular on y-axis. Now join O to P. Point M. Now the I cap j cap be unit vectors along OX and OY. Now OM equals to xi cap and MP equals to yj cap. Now OP vector is OM vector plus MP vector equals to xi cap yj cap. Now R vector equals to xi cap plus yj cap. Now OP square equal to OM square plus MP square. Now OP equal to under root of x square plus y square. Components of a vector in terms of coordinates of its endpoints. Now draw a plane. Now it's a point A. Now the coordinate is x1, y1, z1. Now it's a point B, x2, y2, z2. So now the position vector of AB vector is x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap. Now the magnitude of AB vector is under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now let's take the example is find the values of x and y so that the vector 2i cap plus 3j cap and xi cap plus yj cap are equal. Solution: A vector is equal to the B vector. So now equating these two vectors, 2i cap plus 3j cap equals to xi cap plus yj cap. Now if these two vectors are equal, then the coefficients of the I cap and j cap are also equal. So x equals to 2 and the y equals to 3. Now let's take the next example. Using vectors, show that the points minus 2 comma 1, b minus 5 comma 1, minus 5 comma minus 1 and c 1 comma 3 are collinear. Now the solution: first thing, find the position vector of AB vector. Now AB vector is position vector of B minus position vector of A. Minus 5 I cap minus j cap minus 2 I cap plus j cap equals to minus 3 I cap minus 2 j cap. Similarly, now find the BC vector. BC vector is I cap plus 3 j cap minus of minus 5 I cap minus j cap. BC vector equals to 6 I cap plus 4 j cap. Now If we compare both AB vector and the BC vector, now we get the BC vector is the minus 2 times of AB vector. Now AB vector and BC vector are the parallel vector. Now B is the common point of AB vector and the BC vector. Now let's take the example. Write down a unit vector in xy plane making an angle of 30 degree with the positive direction of solution. Now P be a point comma P is a x comma y be point in xy plane. Now it's a xy plane. Now point P makes the 30 degree angle with the x-axis. So now draw perpendicular to here, that is x, and this is y. So now x is, now it is the origin. By the component of this we get the x equals to OP cos 30 and y equals to OP sin 30 degree. Now the r is xik plus yjk. So OP vector is equal to xik plus yjk. Now put the value of x and y is here, that is root 3 by 2 ik plus 1 by 2 jk is the required unit vector for this. Now let's take the next components of a vector in 3 dimension. Let P x, y, z be a point in space with reference to OX, OY and OZ as the coordinate axis. Now let's draw a diagram x, y, z, that is point P. Now the coordinate of this point is x, y, z, that is I cap, that is j cap, that one is k cap. Now first thing, write down OA vector is xi cap, OB vector is yj cap, OC vector is zk cap. Now marking the point that this point is C, this point is A, this point is B. So if this point is C, this point is C dash, this point is B, so this point is B dash, and this point is A dash. So now similar to this, BC dash is OA vector, that is xi cap. C dash P is equal to the OC vector is equal to the zk cap. OP vector is equal to OC dash vector plus C dash P vector. Similar, OP vector equals to OC dash. Now OC dash we can write like as a OP vector plus BC dash vector. Now C dash P vector is similar to this. Now OP vector is OB vector plus OA vector plus OC vector. Finally, the OP vector is xi cap, yj cap, zk cap. Now the magnitude of OP vector is under root of x square plus y square plus z square. Now let's take the example is find the values of x, y, z so that the vectors A vector equals to xi cap 2j cap plus zk cap and B vector equals to 2i cap yj cap plus k cap are equal. Now the solution of this, A vector equals to B vector is given. So now by equating the coefficient of the I cap, j cap and k cap, so we get the I equals to 2, y equals to 2 and the z equals to 1. Next example is find the unit vector in the direction of PQ vector where P and Q are the points 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 respectively. Solution. Now the PQ vector is the position vector of Q minus the position vector of P. So 4i cap plus 5j cap plus 6k cap minus I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. So now by solving this I get 3i cap plus 3j cap plus 3k cap. Now the magnitude of PQ vector is 3 square plus 3 square plus 3 square. Now I get the 3 root 3. So the unit vector in the direction of PQ vector is PQ vector upon magnitude of PQ vector. So I get 1 by 3 root 3, 3i cap, 3j cap, 3k cap. Now by taking the common 3, I get the I cap plus j cap plus k cap by root 3. Now in the next class, we will continue with this example which is based on the component of vectors.